getting that money in again. It's a Sunday. We just got out of work, did a full shift. We're making no excuses. We're still getting that money. We're still putting in that work. Because you know what? I'd rather be here, getting big, getting swole, than be at the bars, having drinks, wasting money, wasting time. I'd rather be here building myself, building my team, and going hard. Press that subscribe button right now. Follow our YouTube channel at AmbitiousEdge. Follow my boy, Fonz. How do you spell that?
Cut by Fonz, CUTBYFONZ.
That's right. Hey, we're coming with fire. We just did a workout, shoulder workout. Shoulders are burning, they're feeling tight right now.
Yes,
but we're getting that money. 2023 week coming. Like I said, if you like this video and you want us to keep putting out more content at the gym, please subscribe to this to the YouTube channel at AmbitiousEdge. Follow us on all platforms. Instagram too, AmbitiousEdge. What's your Instagram?
Follow me on Instagram at Cut by Fonz. That's CUTBYFONZ. Let's get it.
And also, if you guys have any questions of like any type of content you guys would like to see, just comment below. And also, stay tuned. Be patient for all you up-and-coming barbers that want to learn. I have 10 years of experience. I have championship trophies. I have the belt. We've won competitions from Chicago all the way to California. We've been to barbering events in Florida, so we travel, man. We've cut NFL players, we've cut billionaires at mansions, overseas NFL drafts, everything. So I got the game. If you guys are hungry for that knowledge, please subscribe. All you up-and-coming barbers, stay tuned. We got fire coming for you guys. Like I said, 2023, AmbitiousEdge, we coming.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
My client came in for a high skin fade with the 1.5 guard on top. But first, I begin by draping my client state board regulations in the state of California. I start with the top of the head, clipper by wall. I stroke the clipper against the grain. Hair grows in different directions, so just make sure to pay attention to the hair growth pattern. In this video, I'll be using the wall magic clipper to trim and fade the haircut. Go over the top multiple times and make sure you get all the stubbles evened out. Hairs off client's face, neck, and drape. I will begin the initial high skin fade guideline with my Babyliss trimmer. My client wanted the fade straight across, so I will make sure I keep a consistent line all around the head. I will begin by removing all hairs below the initial skin fade guideline. Make sure you don't press too hard on the head or it will irritate the skin, and be careful not to cut the client's ears with the trimmer. Next, I will use the Balder by Babyliss to get the fade tighter and create a darker contrast, and will also help the client's fresh fade last longer. Make sure to stroke against the grain. I will begin fading with the magic wall clipper with the lever open, which is equivalent to the half guard. Keep a consistent diameter around the whole head and brush away any loose hairs for better visual. Slap the number 1 guard and spray it down with the fungicidal spray to kill all pathogens. Hit the number 1 guard lever open above the half guard guideline. Erase the bottom line with my zero gapped clipper with the lever closed and gradually open the lever as you elevate the blend towards the top part of the half guard level. This is a red half guard with the lever open, gradually open and close lever to do detail work. I always start with my fades on the sides of the head first and connect the back part of the head to connect both sides to the back. It makes it easy for me to spot levels of different lengths in case I lose track of guidelines. Then I begin the front lineup by tapering the edges of the hairline to get rid of all overhanging hairs. Spray the forehead with spritz to get a crispy lineup. Blow dry the area and begin lining up with trimmer. This client has a McDonald's hairline, so he requested for his lineup to be shaped straight across, therefore had to push his hairline back to meet his request. Now clean the surface area below with the hairline created with the trimmer. Use balder to shave off stubbles below hairline. Hit the lineup with the straight razor for that crispy look. And last but not least, the sauce to take your cuts to the next level, like we do here at Ambitious Edge Barbershop. Here's the final product. Let me know what you guys think in the comment box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my Ambitious Edge YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.